Hi. This is a quick update about the release of MEGA-CITIGEN 5.0.1. From this version on, MEGA-CITIGEN can now work on PCs with 16GB RAM and on computers with similar specs. Exceptionally large cities would still require more RAM. So, what else is new in this update? Generated roads and streets are more consistent. You can now control the width of aisles, 2-lane roads, 4-lane roads, and 8-lane roads. When editing the city by moving the road curves, you can now choose to check the contours of city blocks that are going to be generated. Lastly, when exporting to Unreal Engine 5, the rooftop instances are not generated. Instead, planes defining where rooftop props are supposed to be will be generated. You can use this planes in Unreal Engine 5 to place rooftop props by using its mesh sampler. Thank you for watching.